University of Michigan professors Richard Nisbett and Timothy Wilson were interested in following up a study from 50 years earlier on a concept known as the halo effect. In the 1920s, American psychologist Edward Thorndike researched a phenomenon in the U.S. military that showed cognitive bias. This is an error in how we think that affects how we perceive people and make judgments and decisions based on those perceptions. In 1977, Nisbett and Wilson tested the halo effect using 118 college students, 62 males, 56 females. Students were divided into two groups and were asked to evaluate a male Belgian teacher who spoke English with a heavy accent. Participants were shown one of two videotaped interviews with the teacher on a television monitor. The first interview showed the teacher interacting cordially with students, and the second interview showed the teacher behaving inhospitably. The subjects were then asked to rate the teacher's physical appearance, mannerisms, and accent on an 8-point scale from appealing to irritating. Nisbett and Wilson found that on physical appearance alone, 70% of the subjects rated the teacher as appealing when he was being respectful and irritating when he was cold. When the teacher was rude, 80% of the subjects rated his accent as irritating, as compared to nearly 50% when he was being kind. The updated study on the halo effect shows that cognitive bias isn't exclusive to a military environment. Cognitive bias can get in the way of making the correct decision, whether it's during a job interview or deciding whether to buy a product that's been endorsed by a celebrity we admire.